Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas in July. This is the start of our Crafty Christmas in July 24. It's going to run starting today through the end of the month, and it's going to be 25 plus crafters with over 100 videos. So all you need to do is do a hashtag. Wait a minute, hold on. Here we go. Hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24. Okay, here it is again. Hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24. All no spaces. Okay. So now let's get started on my project. What I plan on doing today is I am going to prepare a waterfall. I love waterfalls, and I have a very, very, very simple process. So let's get started. I'm going to this back page right here will be attached in my journal on a page. I'm not exactly sure where. Next week or the week after, we'll start placing them in my Christmas journal. Okay, but for today, we're going to, let me get you measurements. This measures 5 inches wide and about 7 inches long. If you want it shorter, wider, just adjust how you cut your back page, okay? Now for this one, I'm going to be making 4 falls, okay? So I've got 4 pieces of paper. I've already pre-cut them so it doesn't take so long for us to do our project. But I took 4 pieces of paper and I cut them 4.5 by 4, okay? So all 4 of these pages are 4.5 by 4. Then I took and I folded down. I'm sorry, wait a minute. I gave you the wrong 4. Yeah, 4.5. Okay. Then I took and I folded them down 1/4 of an inch. Okay. So what we're going to do now is take your Fabri-Tac, or you can use a glue stick. You can use anything you would like. I'm going to use some Fabri-Tac. And we are going to place the first one about right there. It doesn't really matter. Just kind of put it where you want it. If you want to put something up here on top, you can. If you're making a smaller journal, just adjust. No, it's very easy to do. Okay, now we've got that one down. Okay. And I used double-sided cardstock, okay? Okay, next we are going to run a line of glue across the second one. And coming right up underneath this first one, we're going to tuck this second one right there. I like to leave just a little tiny bit of a gap so they don't make a crunchy noise when you open them up, if you know what I mean. Okay. Get those just down like so, and then just kind of make sure everything looks good, and it does. Okay, now we're going to take the third one. And we're going to tuck it right there. I hope my hair's not in the way. It's probably a fright. If it is, just ignore it. I had to take my puppy on a walk and the wind's blowing like crazy outside. Okay. Now, let's see how this is looking. We've got 1, okay, 2, 3. Might want to move that one up just a hair. And get that straight. That one, whoops, this one needs to move over just a little bit. You just kind of have to kind of straighten them up a little bit. Okay, now we're doing our 4th one. And we're going to pop it right up there. Okay, now let's close that and see how it looks. Okay, we need to adjust just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I just kind of like to turn this over and kind of make sure that everything is pressed down good. Kind of give it a minute to get settled in, get the glue settled. Okay. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some pictures on the front. Now, there are all kinds of things that you can do. You can put paper on here that you can write on. There's all kinds of ways you can do this. And you also can write on the back of your waterfall pages. Okay, now I cut 4 out. Let me see which one I want to use for the very front. The front one will have the complete picture on it. The rest of them will have some a little bit. So I love that bird. Let's see. I think we're going to put this bird down. I really like him. He's so pretty. And I'm sorry, I'm not sure which kit this is. I know, check the ladies, because I believe some of them are doing 40% off on their kits. So that will give you a chance to add to your Christmas collection. Okay. Okay, isn't that pretty? I love waterfalls. I add a waterfall to just about all my journals. Okay, now let's see. We're going to add the next one. And come down like as far as you can. I'm going to put a little piece of paper right here so I know where the end is. I'm going to do that. Okay, now we're going to add our second one. Just a minute. Jackson, no. He loves to get in here. And he gets in my lace and pulls it all over the place. He's just a little stinker. Aren't you? You mama's little stinker? Yes, you are. Okay. Now I need to put just a dab of glue right here. I didn't get enough on there. Okay. There we go. Now that's the second one. So see how this works? Isn't that's just beautiful. Just love it. Okay, now we're going to do the third one. And I'm going to put my little... This is actually straw paper from Rachel of Roxy Creations. She always has straw paper in her shop if anybody wants any. It is wonderful to work with. I love it. Okay, now we're going to add this one. Get a little bit of that glue off. Now I'm going to come right here and place that one. Being gentle with it so the glue doesn't come out. I don't want glue coming out. Okay, there we go. Now don't forget, there's other ladies doing a video today, so put in your hashtag and okay, let me see which way this one goes. Okay, it goes like that. There we go. And I cut these little squares. I believe they're 4 by 4. Let me measure for you. No, they're 3.5 by 3.5. Okay. So there we go. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love it. And I think I am going to make mine like a tag. This is a punch, and it punches the sides and makes, looking to see if there's a brand on it, makes tab notches for you, but I do not see it. I got it on Amazon, so what I want to do is I'm going to use a large one. That one right there. And you never have to worry with this. You never have to worry with your tabs being uneven. That's what I love about it. Okay. Now what I was thinking about doing is I think I'm going to punch a circle. I think I'll punch 2 circles. And let me see if I might not want to do this. I was kind of thinking about if I did that, I'd need to put something right here. Maybe, what could we put? Let me see if I have anything out. I really don't have anything out. So I don't think we'll do that. I think we'll leave it as is for now. I may come back and, although I sure do like that. That's awfully pretty. I think we're going to do that. I am going to put this and this, just gluing these 2 together. And let's see here what else I can find over here in my messy stash. Oh, me. Oh, she's pretty. Let's see here what I want to do. I'm just fiddling now. I had not planned on doing this, but I just like to keep playing. It's like, oh, this is too much fun. Okay, what about if we do this? Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's put this piece of straw paper down. It's kind of interesting of the story of this straw paper. They use it in restaurants for placemats, and they also use it to wrap up, and they call it takeaway. We call it take out, or walk away, take away, something like that. Now this is just a little girl I had laying on my table here, and I had put some sparkle, some glitter on her. And let's see, I think I want to put, oops, I'm sorry. Oh, I think I'm going to put, you can't get too thick back here or your pages won't lay flat. But as long as you keep with pretty simple stuff. Okay, I'm going to just, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to just kind of come across here and add this sweet little piece of lace. Okay. There, and I don't think I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to leave it like it is. No, I don't think I'll use that. And let's see, let's add, let's just keep adding. Oh, here's a piece already torn off. Let's see if we want to either add book page or since it's Christmas, I think we'll add Christmas. How does that sound? So let's bring that down like that. Which side do I like better? I don't think it matters. Okay, let's put some glue here. And let's put this, well, I'm all fingers. Let's put that right there. Like so. And let's tear that off. It was a perfect tear. Okay. Now, normally I would put a little button or something right there, but I don't think we better because we want it to close. I keep looking at this cute little thing I made, but it really doesn't particularly go. So we'll save it. Okay, I believe I have finished my first one, and I'm excited. I guess I'm just bound, bent, and determined to use this, aren't I? Okay, I tell you what. Oh, that lace. Oh, look. That lace just came out beautiful, and I didn't even plan it. Now, do we want to put some lace across the top? I guess we're just going to keep going, aren't we? Let's see. I don't know if it'll mess up the opening. Let me see here what I want to do. No, I think I'm going to leave it plain. Okay, here, but you know what we could do? No, well, let me see. Okay, let's see if that opened up. I put that. See, I can't stop. I just keep adding things. Put that right there. No, I think it looks fine just like this. Okay, I want to thank you for joining me. And this, oh Lord, girls. Ooh, I like this. Look at this. Let's see what I think about this. We could kind of just gather this up. Oh, I like it. We're going to do it. I'm just going to put a little dab of glue right here because it's just small and it's not going to hurt anything. And we are going to put this, and I'm just going to gather it with my fingers like so. Gonna make a little cluster out of it. Like that. Oh, that is so cute. Now, do we want to put this right there? Or do we want to leave it plain? You know what would be darling? Oh, wait a minute. I know what we're going to do. Okay. We are going to put, yep, that's what we're going to do. See, that's why I have to leave everything out on my desk. I wouldn't have even thought of this if my little things hadn't been stacked up over there. Okay. Now we're going to come back. And we're going to add this little bow. Making sure everything still opens, and it does. Oh my, I am loving that. Okay, now I'm finished, I promise. Oh me. So we've got our 4 little waterfall pages that open up. And then we've got our little girl back here. Okay. We are finished, and I am truly liking it. And I want to thank everyone for joining me for my first video of Crafty Christmas in July. So I will see you again next week, next Monday, for my next video. And I want to thank you so much. Okay, everybody have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.